Do you want your KDP cover to print perfectly without getting rejected or cut off? Here's how to get the exact cover template for your book based on your trim size and page count. Go to the KDP Help section and search for Cover Calculator and Template Generator. Or you can just copy the link you see on screen. You can pause the video if you need to. Now choose your trim size, paper type, and total page count. Then hit Download Template. You'll get a zip file with two things, a PDF and a PNG version. The PNG is great for design. It shows you exactly where your front, spine, and back cover should go, including bleed lines. To use it in Canva, just create a custom design using the exact dimensions listed on the template, like 12.498 by 9.25 inches for a 110-page 6 by 9 book. Always match the size to your page count since the spine width changes. Then upload the PNG template, drop it into your design, and align it to fill the canvas perfectly. You can add your title, background, spine text, all on top of that guide. Before you export your final design, make sure to delete the template image or set its transparency to 0%. You don't want that guide showing up in your printed book. Personally, I use BookBolt instead. It automatically builds the correct trim size and margins for you. You can set the template's opacity to 0 with just one click. Plus, BookBolt also handles interiors and keyword research, so I use it for almost everything when publishing books consistently. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. It saves me a ton of time and helps me stay organized.